Hello guys, this is your host Mani Soldier from Tech insidePRO. First time we have introduced to you Camtasia video editor, how to edit your video from Camtasia video editing software. First time you see Camtasia homepage. This is general settings. If you want to change settings, you can click some menu toolbar like enable canvas sniping, time sniping, show quick track, and more tools, media bin library, annotation, transaction, etc. etc. First time I am introducing to you the file have most of options: new project, open project, recent, save as, project setting, sign in, new recording, import, connect mobile device, library have some menu, import media library, new folder, export library, import zip library, and get more online, export zip, export for Mac, import zip project, batch production, upload media, tif and exit. Second have edit is most of menu are disabled for any kind of project. Then modify, extend frame duration, add animation, behavior, add effect have virtual effect, and much more program here. Remove, caption maker, widgets, smart focus, views have high tools, views I was say to you. Then share local file, screencast.com, Vimeo, YouTube, Google Drive custom, production, new custom production, add or edit reset, help, online here video tutorial, open, ready started project, show welcome window, technical support, send feedback, register, key lookup, check for updates, take a smith wave, keyboard shortcut, etc. Then I'm introduced to main focus point media, and its shortcut is B. Annotations, transaction. Annotation have more point like callouts, arrows and lines, shapes, blur and highlight, sketch motion, and keyboard. Then transaction, transition, transition, all, freight, movement, object, styles, and waves. Then behavior have some style, animation, preview, opacity, full opacity, etc. Cursor effect, left, left click and then right click. Then voice narration, look like recording, visualization, audio effects, and more have three options: visual effect, interactivity, and CC captions. Now I am import any media, just check out. First, if you edit any video, you can first time you import this video and uh, drag this footage and keep on timeline. It have more option, and if you want to increase or decrease timeline, it have minus and plus zoom. Undo, redo, cut, copy, paste and split. If you want to increase track, you can click plus, track will be added. And if you want to increase the timeline footage, if click here to hide up or down. If you want to play review how is your editing, you can play this. Or if you have need to any preset, click here and project setting, then canvas dimension you will set up. If you need any kind of setup here, HD 720, 8480 and much more device specification sizes. I am edit 1920 into 1080 HD and apply. If you want to change background color of your preset, click here, project setting, then white, black, many more color, and also dropper here. Click apply. If you want to split, cut some footage, click footage, then click split. Now it is broken. If you want to delete one footage, right click and delete or repel delete. If you want to edit this footage, audio and video, if you want to change audio or settings to audio in video, you can increase audio system audio sound gain here, up, down, up or down. And video have scaling, opacity, rotation or position here. If you want to make separate audio or video, click right, separate audio and video, click, then you can edit audio and separate. If you want to change your video color, click your clips and then click modify, then add effects, then visual effects, then color adjustment. Here is color adjustment tab ready. You can adjust your color as you need. If you need to text, click annotation, then click text, then drag and drop text, click text and edit. If you need to change color, text color here, and if you need background and text, you can drag this one and text change, say text color, block text and change the color, change background, click here, text circle, fill and black. Here is some opacities, outline, thickness, etc. Also here, if you want to need edit or text size, etc. If you need blur, drag blur and here is blur. If you need sketch motion, drag and set up. Thickness is here and color also. If you need keyboard shortcut, Control A like that, Control A. Which button you touch on your keyboard, like Alt C, Alt plus C or Control plus C. If you want to edit, you if you edit keyboard shortcut, click here, and if you want to change keyboard color, here alter Control plus A. Now I can change alter plus A or alter right arrow, up arrow, left arrow, in, enter, return, backspace. Here all keyboard you can use. That means which keyboard you will fresh and that output on your video. Then transition, behavior, animation, cursor effect and much more. Now I am export or save my editing. How to export? Click share, local file, then OK. Then set your preset, then next and next. Then video format, then video settings, then next, and finally save. So this is the basic training for Camtasia 9. If you want any queries, please comment our comment box. Thank you for today. We will see again. Thank you very much.